Hello, this is my 11th lecture, and in this lecture we shall discuss about the effect of dielectrics on capacitance of a capacitor. We have studied about the parallel plate capacitor, and we have studied in that uh, by potential can be decreased, the capacitance can be increased, and it can be done only by placing another plate of equal area close to the charge plate. And when this charge plate is another plate is earthed, then capacitance of the capacitor can be increased or the plate can be increased. Now we consider, and today we shall discuss about the effect of dielectrics on medium between the plates of parallel plate capacitor or a capacitor. For the purpose we consider a parallel plate capacitor. The first plate is positively charged and the second plate is negatively charged. And the positive charge of this plate is close to the earth. When we place a dielectric means an insulator when placed in an external electric field, then by the polarization of charges of insulator, one surface of the substance gets positively charged and another surface gets negative charge. This, by the process of polarization, the external electric field is decreased, and due to this, the potential of the capacitor is decreased and the capacitance can be increased. So when a slab of dielectric substance is placed between the plates of capacitor, this surface of the dielectrics acquires negative charge and this surface of electric field acquires positive charge. So in this case, the electric field, external electric field or capacitor's electric field will be this, and this is the electric field of dielectrics. Though both electric fields are opposite to one another, so net electric field decreases. It decreases the potential and capacitance of the capacitor is increased in this case. This is the theoretical point of view by which we can understand the effect of dielectrics on capacitance of capacitor when a dielectric slab is placed between the plates of a capacitor. Its opposite surfaces get negative and positive charges by the process of polarization. And we have discussed in previous lecture about the polarization. By the process of polarization and due to it, electric field decreases and potential also decreases. It results increase in capacitance of capacitor. So this is the theoretical point of view. When we place a dielectric slab between the capacitor, its surface, which is at the side of positive plate, gets negative charge, and the surface which is in front of the negative charge plate gets positive charge. So an electric field is set up in the dielectrics which is opposite to the electric field of capacitor, and it decreases the potential and increases the capacitance of the capacitor. Now we shall discuss about the derivation by which we can understand the effect of dielectrics on the capacitance. Effect of dielectric substance on capacitance of capacitor. For the purpose, we consider the different cases. The first case is when dielectric substance is completely filled between the plates of capacitor. We consider a capacitor. This is the positive charge plate, and this is the negatively charged plate capacitor, and a dielectric substance of dielectric constant. It is also considered as a relative permittivity of medium or substance. Relative permittivity, we have discussed that relative permittivity is the ratio of permittivity of medium to the permittivity of vacuum, and also it is the Coulomb force in vacuum to the Coulomb force in medium. So this is also named as dielectric constant for the case of dielectrics. And we know that epsilon r or dielectric constant K is equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught. So the value of permittivity of medium will be is equal to epsilon naught K. So instead of epsilon, we can put the value epsilon naught K. Now we consider that electric field between the plates which are placed close to one another and has opposite charge densities is equal to sigma upon epsilon. Instead of epsilon naught, we shall consider epsilon. And now we put the value of sigma q by A and value of epsilon naught k. This is the value of electric field between the plates of capacitor in presence of a certain medium, means dielectric substance. So this is the value. If the separation of the plate, area of plate is A, and separation of plates is small d, then in that case Em is equal to Q upon potential between the plates will be is equal to Em into d, or Vm is equal to Q d upon K epsilon naught A. Vm is equal to Qd upon K epsilon naught A. This is the value of potential. And in the topic of capacitance, when we want to find out the capacitance for any case, we determine the potential, and then we can easily, by putting the value Cm is equal to Q upon or Vm, or Cm is equal to Q upon Qd upon K epsilon naught A. Q and Q cancelled out, and value of capacitance we can obtain K epsilon naught A upon D, means capacitance of the capacitor becomes K times of the capacitor with vacuum or air. So the capacitance of capacitor is increased. Capacitance of capacitor is increased K times of its initial value. So Cm is equal to K epsilon naught A upon D. Now we move to next. We know that this is the value of Cm is equal to K epsilon naught A upon D, and value of capacitance in presence of vacuum will be epsilon naught A upon D. So the value of Cm upon C0 is equal to K epsilon naught A upon D into the value of reciprocal of this will be D upon epsilon naught A. Epsilon and epsilon cancel out, A and A cancel out, D and D cancel out. So dielectric constant K is equal to Cm upon C0. This is also the relative permittivity of dielectric substance. So epsilon R is equal to K into Cm upon C0. Dielectric constant or relative permittivity the ratio of capacitance of a capacitor with a medium to the capacitance of the capacitor with the ratio of capacitance of a capacitor with a medium to the capacitance of the capacitor with vacuum is called dielectric constant K or relative permittivity means epsilon r of substance. So this is the third definition of relative permittivity or dielectric constant. In the topic of capacitance, we only use the term dielectric constant instead of relative permittivity. In chapter number 1, we continuously use a term relative permittivity, but here we use the term dielectric constant K, and in last chapter relative permittivity epsilon r we were using. So this is the dielectric constant of a substance, and when we introduces a dielectric substance which is completely filled between the plates of the capacitor, the capacitance of the capacitor becomes K times of its value with vacuum. So on introducing a dielectric constant, the capacitance of capacitor can be increased. So this is the effect if we use or we fills the space between the plates of capacitor, the capacitance of the conductor increases in this case also. So this is all about the dielectric constant, and this is frequently asked in the examination, and this is the K is equal to Cm upon C0. This is the derivation, and it is also used in examination, so you learn this derivation also. And now the dielectric constant of metal, the value of dielectric constant for metal is infinite. You should also know that the dielectric constant for a metal is infinite. And in next lecture we shall discuss about the case when dielectric substance is partially filled between the plates of capacitor. It is also an important topic and frequently asked this topic also, and also some numerical or conceptual questions are also asked from that topic. So we shall discuss that.